Hi guys, today I am going to create a digital clock using spans and divs without using any font. So when I was browsing, I got this idea from this image where he places the span elements D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7, and he'll make the before and after elements look like small triangles. So we will try to recreate this and create a clock based on this. Okay, let's get started. This is a clean slate, and I have a index.html, my style.css file, and my script file included. Index file also consists of jquery. That's it. Okay, let's get started. First we'll try to create the digit first. So let me write a div.digit. So I'll create a class with I'll create div with a class of digit, and we'll place a span elements with a class of line 7 times. We'll quickly jump to CSS and we'll start creating this digit from scratch. So first I'll target the digit class. Let's make the height to 150 pixels and width to 100 pixels. Now we'll position the element as relative, and we'll make it display as inline block. So let me add some border here so that we can see border 1 pixel solid red. Now I will target the digit line class, that is a span element, digit line. So we'll set the background color to black, and we'll make the span element look like a display inline block. We'll position the element to absolute. Let's see how it is on the web page. So first we'll give some height of 10 pixel and width of 100 pixel, and let's look at it how it is. So these are the span elements completely. Okay, so first we'll place the lines. Div.line, I'm targeting the nth child of 1, so I'm targeting the first element. I'll make the top to 0, left to 0, right to 0, and margin auto, and we'll specify its height to be 10 pixel and width to be 70 pixel. I'll get rid of this height and width on the line, all lines. So this is the first span element. Next we'll target the second span element. Let me write comment here. First child. So all styles belonging to the first line element will be here, and let me comment here again, second child. So similarly all styles belong to the second child will be here. Digit dot line colon nth child of 2. Nth child of 2. So top 0, bottom 0, left 0, right 0, margin auto, and let's its height be 10 pixel and width be 78 pixel. So this is a second span, and we'll target the next span, third child, digit dot line colon nth child of 3. Tenth child of 3. So we'll set its bottom to 0, left to 0, right to 0, margin auto, and its height be 10 pixel and width be 70 pixel. So first element, second element, third element. Now we'll place the fourth and fifth elements. Fourth child, dot digit dot line colon nth child of 4. So top 15 pixels, we'll set its left to 0, margin to auto, and height be margin to auto, and height be 50 pixel and width be 10 pixel. And we'll set its background color to black. This is the fourth one. Let me place the fifth one now. Fifth child, dot digit dot line colon nth child of 5. So top to 15 pixel same, 15 pixel. We'll set its right to 0. We'll set the margin to auto, height be 50 pixel and width be 10 pixel, and it will set its background color to same black. This is the fifth element. Now we'll position sixth and seventh element. Sixth child, dot digit dot line colon nth child of 6. We'll set its bottom to 15 pixel and right to 0, sorry, left to 0 first, left to 0. We'll set its margin to auto, height be 50 pixel and width be 10 pixel, and we'll set its background color to black again. So this is the sixth element. Now we'll position the seventh one. Seventh child, dot digit dot line colon nth child of 7. We'll set its bottom to 15 pixel, width right to 0 and margin to auto, height to 15 pixel and width to 10 pixel, and we'll set its background color to black again. So we have positioned all the elements like a digit. Now we'll try to create the after elements like this. We'll make use of before and after elements to create little triangles. So first we'll target the first child, dot digit dot line colon and child of 1 colon before and also the after element. So we'll make its border to 10 pixel, solid, transparent. So for now I'll put red color, later we are going to make it transparent. Border, yes, let me show you. So first we'll make this universal. We are selecting all the first and after and before elements of the line class. So first we'll make this before elements and after elements, line colon colon before and line colon colon after. We'll make its content to empty. We'll position the element as absolute. We'll set its margin to auto, and let's set the height to 0 and width to 0. We'll make them display as inline block elements and save. So let's see on web page. These are the before and after elements of this first line. So we are making the top border top color as, we are making top color as inherit. For now I'll put a black color and show you. So many adjustments are to be done. Line colon nth child of 1 colon colon before. We'll set its left to -10 pixel. Dot digit dot line colon nth child of 1 colon colon after. We'll set its right to -10 pixel. So these are the two elements. We'll remove this red color now. We'll make it as transparent. I am writing here inherit so that it inherits the color of the parent. So this is how it will be. Now we'll add the before and after elements of second child. Dot digit dot line colon nth child of 2 colon colon before. We duplicate that and we'll add the after. So we'll set the top to 0, bottom to 0, and we'll write the margin auto. We'll make the border 5 pixel, solid, red. For now I'm using red color. So we are styling the before element now. We'll place it left to -10 pixel. I'm styling the after element now. We'll set its right to -10 pixel. So these are the two elements. Now what we are going to do is border left color. We'll set the border right color to inherit, and we'll set the border left color to inherit. So we'll get rid of this red color now. We'll make it as transparent. Fine. Second element is style. Now we'll target the third one. So targeting the third one and writing the before and after elements. Dot digit dot line colon nth child of colon before and after. So we'll make the border to 10 pixel, solid, red, and we'll place it to bottom 0. So these are the elements. Let me place the before element and after element, adjust the before and after elements. Let me place it to minus 10 pixel left, and we'll place the after element right minus 10 pixel. This is how they are placed. Now we'll remove the red color and add a transparent color here, and we'll add border bottom color to inherit, and similar way border bottom color to inherit. So this is how the third element will be. Now we'll target the fourth one. Dot digit dot line colon nth child of 4 colon before and dot digit dot line colon nth child of 4 colon after. So the fourth one and the sixth one will have the same styles, and the fifth one and seventh one will have the same styles. So what I'm going to do is I'll duplicate this and place the nth child of 6 here. So I'm going to add border 10 pixel, solid, red, and top to minus 10 pixel. So both of them are having the before and after elements as red color. Now we'll style them. I'm making it as transparent, border transparent, and border left color is inherit. Border left color to inherit. So this is how they are styled. Now we'll target the after element. Similarly, we'll make the border to 10 pixel, solid, red, and we'll place it to bottom minus 10 pixel, and border left color to inherit. So this is how they are styled. Now we'll make it transparent. So I forgot to add a sixth child. Okay. So these two elements are styled now. Now we'll style the fifth one and the seventh one. So similarly, I'll make a copy of these two before and after elements. So I'm making an fifth and seventh. Fifth and seventh. So instead of using we are specifying the right to 0 here, and here also right to 0. So everything should work fine. We'll make the left color, instead of left color we'll make it right color. Same here, array just right color. So finally we got the digit similarly like this. So what's our next target is, we want to display numbers. So when I write digit of 1, it should be displayed as 1, meaning only these two span elements should be visible, rest all the elements should be hidden. So how to achieve that? So we'll target for 1 digit dot 1, we'll make the line colon nth child of 1 2 3 4 5. So what we want to do is, we want to make these two elements as visible and rest all the elements hidden. So let me count how many spans are there. 1 2 3 4 5. So we need to hide 5 span elements. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. So we need to hide 1 2 3. 1 2 3. We'll set its opacity to 0. Next, this is the fourth span. Fifth span should be visible and sixth one should be hidden. Seventh one should be visible. So fourth one should be hidden and sixth one should be hidden. So when I click save, save here. Sorry, I forgot the commas here. 2 3 4. So when I click save, only these two are visible. So we got the one now. For 2 dot digit dot 2 dot line colon nth child of. So let me remove 1 here and place 2. So if you want to, we need the first one and the fifth one, second one, sixth one, and third one should be visible. The fourth and the seventh elements are to be hidden. Hope you got that. Fourth and the seventh one should be hidden. So I'll make the opacity to 0. Fine. Now for 3. For 3 we'll make dot digit dot 3 dot line colon nth child of. So for 3, let me remove the 2 class here first and write 3. To get 3, we need to hide fourth one and sixth one. So into child of 4 and in the child of 6 are to be hidden. See, we got the 3. Now for 4, for 4 dot digit dot 4 dot line colon nth child of so for 4 we need to hide the first one, the third one and the sixth one. First one, third one and the sixth one. We'll set its opacity to 0. Similarly, we are going to do for 5. So for 5 dot digit dot 5 colon dot 5 nth line colon nth child of 1. So for 5 we need to hide the fifth one and the sixth one. We need to hide the fifth one and the sixth one. We'll set its opacity to 0. Similarly for the 6 dot digit dot 6 dot line colon nth child of 1. So let me add class of 6 here. So for 6 we need to hide only this one, that is the fifth element. We'll set its opacity to 0. Similarly for 7 dot digit dot 7. So I'm copying line from here. CVEN 7. So for 7 we need to hide the fourth, second, third and sixth. So let me copy these several times. So we need to hide second, third, fourth and sixth. Second, third, fourth and sixth. You'll get rid of this and we'll set the opacity to 0. So this is our 7. So no need to do for 8 because it's already in 8. So no need to do for 8, only for 9 and 0 we need to do. Next we'll write 9 dot digit dot 9 dot line colon and child of only one we need to target. So let's find out which one. So 9 will be like this. So we need to hide the sixth one. So we'll set its opacity to 0. So this is how 9 will be. Now for 0 we need to hide the second element. So dot digit dot 0 dot line colon and child of second. We set its opacity to 0. So if I write 0 here, it will be 0. So we are done with all the digits now. Let me stop here and continue in the part 2.